Everyone thinks the best-selling electric toothbrush is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Aquasonic Black Series. Let's kick things off with the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Priced at $39.95, it caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want powerful cleaning with a touch of elegance, this is worth a serious look. This toothbrush operates at a staggering 40,000 vibrations per minute, which means it's designed to tackle plaque like a pro. It has 4 different modes, including one specifically for whitening, which is perfect if you're looking to brighten your smile. The fact that it's ADA approved adds an extra layer of trustworthiness. With 135,200 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, many users rave about its effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having multiple brushing modes means you can customize your cleaning experience, whether it's for gum health or stain removal. Now, some people complained about its bulkiness compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you can handle a slightly larger brush, the power and the 8 included brush heads make it totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful yet stylish toothbrush. Skip this one if you need something compact for travel. Overall, at this price point, it's a solid investment in your dental care. Now, if the size of the Aquasonic bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Oral-B Pro 1000 Black. Next up is the Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable electric toothbrush in black, priced at $49.94. This one really caught my eye thanks to its dentist-inspired features. If you want a dentist-level clean at home, this is worth a serious look. This toothbrush promises to remove up to 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to manual brushes. With 3 cleaning modes and a built-in timer that nudges you to change zones every 30 seconds, it makes sure you're cleaning evenly. With 78,700 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that users find value in its simplicity and effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The gum pressure control feature stops the brush if you're pressing too hard, which is fantastic for gum health. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for straightforward functionality without any tech bells and whistles, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you're new to electric toothbrushes and want something reliable. Skip this one if you're set on having all the latest tech features. For the price, it provides great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a classic white finish. Product number 3, Oral-B Pro 1000 White. Moving on to the Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable electric toothbrush in white, also priced at $49.94. If you like a clean, classic look with the same great performance, this one's for you. If you want a reliable toothbrush that just works, this is worth a serious look. The features here mirror the black version, offering that same impressive plaque removal and gum protection. The round brush heads help reach areas that rectangular brushes just can't. With a 4.5-star rating based on 61,900 reviews, it proves that users appreciate its effectiveness and simplicity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The easy-to-use design makes it a great option for anyone who might feel overwhelmed by high-tech devices. Now, some people mention that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're using it twice a day, it still lasts a good while between charges. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-fuss option that still gets the job done. Skip this one if you feel you need more advanced features. For the price, it's hard to beat its performance. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more exciting, the next toothbrush brings next-gen technology. Product number 4, Oral-B IO5 Limited. Next up is the Oral-B IO5 Limited Deep Clean and White, priced at $149.99. This one really stands out with its advanced technology and sleek design. If you're after the best in oral care, this is worth a serious look. The IO5 claims to provide healthier gums in just 1 week by removing 100% more plaque. It has 5 cleaning modes and a real-time guidance feature that tells you if you're brushing too hard or too soft. The included Oral-B app tracks your brushing habits, ensuring that no spot is missed. With a 4.5-star rating from 4,100 reviews, users rave about its smart features. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The light ring timer helps you achieve the dentist-recommended 2 minutes of brushing, which can significantly improve your oral health. Now, some users found the price a bit steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your dental care and want the best technology, this is a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a comprehensive approach to oral care. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more traditional toothbrush. While it's pricier, the features justify the cost for many. Now, if you're looking for something that combines style with function, the final product on this list is a great option. Product number 5, Oral-B Pro 1000 Pink. Lastly, we have the Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable electric toothbrush in pink, also priced at $49.94. This one is perfect if you want a toothbrush that looks good while getting the job done. If you need an effective and stylish option, this is worth a serious look. Just like the previous Pro 1000 models, this brush removes plaque efficiently and protects gums with its pressure control feature. It shares the same trusted round brush head design and has the same timer that reminds you to switch zones every 30 seconds. With a 4.5-star rating and 19,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness and aesthetic appeal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a toothbrush that you enjoy using can make a difference in your routine. Now, some users have mentioned that the pink color might not be for everyone. Here's the thing though, if you like a bit of personality in your dental care, this could be a fun option for you. This is perfect for you if you want an effective brush that stands out visually. Skip this one if you prefer a more neutral look. For the price, it's a solid value, especially for something that performs well. So there you have it. Each of these toothbrushes offers unique benefits, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. To recap, we've got the Aquasonic Black series for those wanting power and style, the Oral-B Pro 1000 in black for simplicity and effectiveness, the same model in white for a classic look, the high-tech Oral-B i05 for those seeking advanced features, and finally the pink Pro 1000 for a fun twist on a trusted favorite. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you in your oral care routine.